The spectacular colors of polar lights.
How does an aurora occur? Electromagnetic waves from the solar flares released by the sun, also known as Alfvén waves, allows electrons to flow above the electric field of this wave. These electrons which flow above the Alfvén waves gets accelerated. This phenomena is called Landau damping. As these electrons approach the Earth's upper atmosphere at approximately 45 million miles per hour, they collide with molecules such as oxygen and nitrogen. This collision produces colorful hues, therefore creating aurora as what we call it today.
So the question is, what if there was no Earth's magnetic field to collide with the solar particles? Residents of the Earth will be vulnerable to solar storm and are prone to being bombarded by cosmic rays that may cause diseases like skin cancer. Our power grids all over the globe will be greatly affected and damaged, and all of the Earth's satellites in the high orbits will go down, and also most obviously, compasses will not work anymore. The Earth's atmosphere will be slowly stripped away by the gusts of solar wind like Mars, or even worse, become torrid like Venus's.
Why are most of the northern lights green in color? Most northern lights are green in color, but sometimes you'll see a hint of pink, and in strong displays might also have red, violet, and white colors, often seen by aurora chasers on northern light trips. The reason of all these colors lie in the composition of our Earth's atmosphere. The most common colors seen in northern lights are green, which are produced by oxygen. When the solar winds hit millions of oxygen atoms in the Earth's atmosphere, at the same time, it excites the oxygen atoms, and this is when they emit their green hue, which can be seen from the ground.
Next, the myth. What are the beliefs on aurora before the advancements of technology? Or, to be more specific, the Sami people. The auroras were thought to be the souls of the dead. They believed you shouldn't talk about it. It was also dangerous to tease them by waving, whistling, or singing under the auroras, as this would alert the lights to your presence. If you caught their attention, the lights could reach down and carry you up to the sky. A more sinister interpretation was that the northern lights could reach down and slice off your head. To this day, many Sami stays indoors when the northern lights are illuminating in the sky, just to be on the safer side.
Let's understand the traditional Sami religion belief in order to debunk the myth. They believe that all significant natural objects, such as animals, plants, rocks, possess a soul. However, the aurora occurs so high up in the atmosphere that they don't pose any threat to people watching them from the ground. But the electrically charged particles produced could have some potential negative effects to infrastructure and technology. However, the Earth is protected by the magnetosphere. Therefore, we can conclude that the myth actually is not true.
Do you ever wonder why aurora named in that way? In 1619, Galileo saw shimmering bands of color arcing across the night sky. He gave the astronomical phenomenon a name, which is Aurora Borealis. Aurora was the goddess of the dawn in Roman mythology, while Boreas was the god of the north wind.
Interesting facts about aurora. The northern lights are only visible when it's dark, but they can occur at any time. The Aurora Borealis can occur at any time of the day, however, our eyes need darkness to perceive them. Days around a full moon are not best for hunting the lights. To see the aurora, get far away from the lights from towns and cities to maximize chances of sighting.
Thank you for watching.